Okay, we're at the intersection of Route 14 and Williams Wharf Road. It's where the run turns around. The ride takes a right turn. And an immediate left onto Ridgefield. Okay, I'm going to stop here and explain this intersection. There will be signs. The bike route will be taking a left. That is Callis Lane. Return trip, you could be coming out of this road and continuing on straight, and that's also Ridgefield. The hard right is called Beaverdam Road, so you will not be taking any turns onto that road. You'll be coming out at the end on this road, and right now we'll take a left onto Callis Field. Okay, approaching the intersection at Callis Lane and Flippin Road. The route takes a right on Flippin. Now we're at the intersection of Flippin Road and Garden Creek Road. And we'll be taking a right turn on Garden Creek Road. Right now we're at mile 3.8, so we're not quite the halfway. And here we are at the intersection at Marsh Road, where we'll take a right. And we just hit 4 miles. We're at the intersection of Ridgefield and Marsh, and we're going to take a right onto Ridgefield. And you won't see this stop sign until you're almost up on it. But here we are at that intersection I described earlier, where there's several roads that come in. So we're on Ridgefield Road. If you go straight toward that white building and then take a left, that is Ridgefield Road also, and it'd be 2 miles to the finish area. To the left is a road called Beaverdam Road. There will be plenty of signs here, but again, it's a little bit of a tricky intersection. So we'll go straight and then left onto Ridgefield. All right, we're at the intersection of Ridgefield and Route 14. If you look that way, that tree line represents Williams Wharf Road. So we're going to be just on 14 for a brief minute. So you have to use this time to enter into the highway and then prepare to take a quick left turn. So just again, prepare. This is the first time you're really being potentially heavy traffic. At this gate, you'll dismount from your bike, push it into the transition area, and get ready for the run portion.